Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? I am coming to you from my vanity. I wanted to talk about my nighttime skincare routine. I purposely left my makeup on overnight so it looks terrible, but I needed the lighting to make this video. So I'm going to go over the products I use, why I use them, all of those things. This is what I do every night, and as I've mentioned before, I have extremely dry skin. It's so dry, and your makeup, your skin, everything will be so much better if you take care of it at night properly. So after years and years and years of battling with this, I finally found products that I've used over and over and over again, and I cannot recommend them enough. So first thing I'm going to do is take off my makeup, and to do that I use two different products. The first one is this one. It is a Pomifera pre-cleanse, and this is a spray. And then the other one I really enjoy is this one, the Neutrogena Balm Makeup Remover. Both of these products do a great job. This one is a much smaller price point and can be found at the drugstore, and then Pomifera products are amazing and I highly recommend them, but they are at a slightly different price point. So I wanted to include them both because not everybody has the budget for something like this. But for the purposes of today's video, I am going to use this one, and what you do is you spray it lightly all over your face, and then we're going to just let that sit for a moment. As we let that sit, I'm going to go wet a washcloth because I'm not at a sink and we will need that. So I will be right back. Alright, so we let that sit on the skin for a while. Now I'm just going to take my fingers and start really rubbing it all over the skin. Make sure to get the mascara, the pomade I use on my eyebrows, and really start releasing that makeup. Just like that. And then I'm taking a damp microfiber cloth, and we're just going to wipe away all of my makeup all over my face. Now, keep in mind this is a pre-cleanse, so I use a double cleanse method, and I just find that especially, I think for any skin, but for my skin, it's important to do so. That Pomifera pre-cleanse has good nutrients for your skin, as does the Neutrogena, that are just going to protect that moisture barrier. Alright, so I'm just about done here. I'm just removing the last of my mascara. So the foaming cleanser is the second step of this routine. The one I'm using today is the CeraVe Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser. This is just one of many good ones out there, but I do really like this one. I've repurchased it quite a few times. And then the other life-changing thing that I have found for my skin is incorporating a brush, a cleansing brush like this one. This one is by Teoclean, and I love this. I think this is the single most thing that has transformed my skin. As you can see, I have borderline rosacea. My skin is very sensitive, so I have to be very careful with the chemicals I put on it. So chemical exfoliants and things of that nature just inflame my skin. So this is gentle enough that I can use with my foaming cleanser. It gently exfoliates and just gives me that nice base for the products I'm going to use next. So I wet the tip of my brush, and then I just squirt a little bit of cleanser right into the hole there, and then I go to town. Alright, so if you look at my brush, you can see that it is tinged with the leftovers of what was on my skin. So now I'm going to take a microfiber cloth. Normally I would rinse in the sink, but I do not have a sink here, and just get the cleanser off my face. Alright, so let me dry my skin here with a dry towel. The next product I'm going to use is another Pomifera product that I have been really loving. This is a Pomifera Rose Anti-Aging Serum and Moisturizer, and I use this at night only. So I'm just going to take a dropper full here and drop that into my hands. And I'm going to put that down my neck and all over my face. Making sure to get my chest. I have noticed that after using this product, I've been using it for probably about 2 months, and it's really helped. It has not taken away my redness, but before using this, you would always be able to see like broken capillaries at the surface of my skin, and my skin looks so much better. So I really enjoyed this. I highly recommend it. Alright, so I'm going to let that soak in for just a second, and then I am going to use a cream moisturizer as well. So my favorite cream for my face, and I like it for my body as well, is this Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty. I have been using this product for years, and I love it. I have no desire to switch. It really hydrates my skin. It provides a nice base. It wears well under my makeup, and I can't say enough good things about it. So this is actually, I've been using this for years, and this is only my second tub. So a little bit goes a long way. I'm just going to get some on my finger, and then I tap it into my fingers. And then rub that into the skin. Now, this is where I would stop for nighttime, but I did want to show you what I do in the morning. So I do not do a full cleanse in the morning, but what I do use are these Facial Radiance Pads, again by First Aid Beauty. So when I wake up in the morning, I will do a quick wipe down with one of those pads, and then before doing my makeup, I will use the Ultra Repair Cream again. So that's everything. That's everything I use on a daily basis to keep my skin clean and hydrated. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have dry skin, I'd love to hear in the comments below what some of your favorite products are. Even if you don't have dry skin, let me know. I love trying new things. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribe and hang around for a while, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.